Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Stuart Hoover, Doctor of Natural Health and the owner of Essential to Health Advanced Natural Health Care Center. I've been in the natural health field now for nearly 2 decades, and I've worked with thousands of people around the country to help them improve their health naturally. And one of the questions I'm asked every day is there a natural alternative for managing high cholesterol? And the answer is absolutely yes. You know, there are natural substances that have been used for centuries to help improve high cholesterol levels. And we have taken a synergistic blend of these nutrients, and we formulated a product called LipiBalance that we've been having just tremendous success in our clinic with. As a matter of fact, myself, coming from a history of high cholesterol in my family, I have dropped triple digits off of my cholesterol levels using LipiBalance in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle and moderate exercise, which we should all focus on. But a lot of people today are concerned about heart disease. It is the #1 killer in our country, and these high cholesterol rates just continue to go up every year, and a lot of people are concerned about taking prescription drugs, and rightfully so. I just tell my clients when they come in the clinic, if they have high cholesterol, that it's not because you have a deficiency of these statin drugs, these prescription drugs in your body. We don't produce these drugs in our body, but there are proven, well-documented nutrients out there that can certainly help lower and manage healthy cholesterol levels. So I encourage you to join us at The Truth About Cholesterol. Again, that's thetruthAboutCholesterol.com, and learn more about this miraculous formula, LipiBalance. And I have some wonderful information I'd like to share with you. As a matter of fact, even give away to you when you join us at thetruthAboutCholesterol.com. I'm Dr. Stuart Hoover. Thanks for joining me today.